I have been working with hundreds of construction businesses and understand what it takes to have successful systems and processes for the financial side of the business. Have you ever wondered why some construction businesses struggle to keep their finances in order while others thrive? And most importantly, what are the key differences in bookkeeping strategies between a new construction business and a well-established six-figure company? Stick around because we're about to answer all these questions and more. The biggest difference that I see is that high six-figure company is playing a higher game when the risks get greater and the speed gets faster. In order to be ready for it, you need to become a different person. At the beginning, you have a potential, but if you're not spending time getting the skills and education on how to navigate those higher waters, nothing is going to change. Have a confidence in yourself, build the brand, recruit the best talent, learn sales and negotiation, contracts, accounting, because being in the field for years means you haven't spent time building a strong team and learning how to be the best leader. You need to have the right people in the right seats to be able to scale. I remember thinking I could grow my company faster, and then I realized that in order to have $1 million company, I have to change to a person who owns $1 million company with all the skills and mindset that it takes, because the problems do not go away as you grow. They become even bigger and you need to be prepared to face them. So now let's talk about my specific area of expertise, accounting, and how those types of companies function. What are the mistakes that they usually make at each stage and what strategies could help offset them? First, let's talk about some common bookkeeping mistakes that new construction businesses often make. These can be very important. First one, simple mixing personal and business finances. Everyone knows not to do it and still doing it. Many new business owners use the same bank account for personal and business expenses, and this can create a mess. When it comes time to track expenses and file taxes, always keep your finances separate. Another one is not keeping receipts. I understand that we're all busy people, but in construction, you deal with a lot of materials, tools, and subcontractors, and many of you need to track your costs by project. Not keeping receipts can lead to inaccurate expense tracking and missed deductions. Make it a habit to document every transaction. Next one is ignoring cash flow management. Cash flow is very important in any business, but especially in construction. You need to ensure that you have enough cash on hand to cover expenses, pay your employees, and invest in new projects. Failing to manage the cash flow can lead to severe financial problems. Another one is not using accounting software. Relying on spreadsheets or manual bookkeeping, it can be super time-consuming and error-prone. Investing in good accounting software can save you time and reduce those mistakes. Not tracking job costs, that is a big mistake. You have to understand the profitability of each project. Otherwise, you can be overspending or you can have reduced margins. One of my clients, John, was super passionate about his craft, but he struggled with financial side of things. He mixed personal and business finances, he rarely kept any receipts and had no idea about how much money each job was really making him. And this led to cash flow issues and unexpected expenses. His story is not uncommon, but the good news is with the right strategies, you can avoid all these problems. Now that we've covered the mistakes, let's talk about the strategies that can set you up for success from the start. Separate your finances. Open a dedicated business bank account and use it exclusively for business transactions. This makes tracking expenses and income so much easier. And if you want to take it to the next level, here's the breakdown of business accounts I propose to help you understand your cash flow a little bit better when you look at your bank statements. It's income account, where you deposit all cash and credit card payments. Avoid linking checks or debit cards to this account to keep it straightforward. Second one is operating account. Use this account to pay all your bills. Transfer the necessary funds from the income account to cover your expenses. Third one is savings and profit account. Put away the profit of the business to reinvest or save for unexpected expenses. And the last one is tax account. Save for taxes. Transfer funds during high cash flow periods to build a buffer for tax payments. Another strategy is use accounting software. Invest into software like QuickBooks Online because it can help you track expenses, manage invoices, and monitor cash flow. If you do not know how to use it or do not have time to figure it out, hire someone who is an expert in it, like us. Find a link to schedule a call with us in the description below this video. Another strategy is implement receipt management system. Use apps like Dex or RAM to scan and organize your receipts, or go old-fashioned way of keeping your records. You think I'm going to say shoebox. No, I mean using Google Drive. This ensures you have all the documentation you need for tax time and helps you track your expenses accurately. Another strategy is review your cash flow weekly. You need to do that to understand your financial position. This helps you anticipate the shortfalls and plan accordingly. And you also need to track job costs. You can use specific software or even just QuickBooks Online. You have to say which projects are profitable and which ones are not, and that allows you to make better decisions. For those of you running a six-figure construction company, your bookkeeping needs are more complex, but the principles remain the same. Let's dive into the strategies that can help you maintain and grow your financial success. First of all, you have to hire a professional bookkeeper. At this stage, it's beneficial to have a dedicated professional managing your books. They can provide insights and ensure accuracy. They will save you time so you could focus on revenue-generating activities. Another thing is advanced software solutions. You have to consider upgrading to more advanced software solutions like Procore, Buildertrend, which offer extensive project management feature along with financial tools. Another thing you need to do differently is conduct monthly and quarterly financial reviews with your bookkeeper or accountant. This helps you stay on top of your financial health and make informed decisions. You can develop strategies on increasing revenues, increasing profit margins, improving your cash flow. Another thing to do is budgeting and forecasting. You have to have detailed budgets and financial forecasts that will allow you to plan for future projects, manage expenses, and ensure you have the necessary funds available. Create a budget and stick to it. Just like you have to check budget versus actual on the cost of your construction projects, you need to look the same way at your business. How much did I spend compared to my budget? Can I increase my budget for certain activities that will bring me more money? Another important thing is tax planning. Work with a tax professional to develop a tax strategy that maximizes deductions and minimizes liabilities. This is especially important as your revenue grows and your tax situation becomes more complex. Whether you're just starting out or running a successful six-figure company, there are a lot of tools that can help you manage your bookkeeping more effectively. And here are some practical tips. You have to stay organized. Keep your financial documents organized and easily accessible. This saves time and reduces stress. You also need to automate where possible. Use software to automate repetitive tasks like invoicing and expense tracking. Educate yourself. Continuously get education on all things money, contracts, software, trends. You have to also set your financial goals and the exact steps on how to get there and track your progress regularly. This way you'll stay focused and motivated. And also seek professional help of bookkeepers, accountants, lawyers. Their expertise can save you time and money. So to wrap things up, whether you're starting a new construction business or managing a six-figure company, the right bookkeeping strategies can make a significant difference. So avoid the common mistakes, implement effective strategies, use the right tools, and seek professional help when needed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more things and strategies to help your construction business thrive. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Until next time.